Hi everyone, I will show you how to copy image and post in Reddit app. First of all, you need to open the Reddit app and tap the share button in the bottom of the post and tap to a copy image. Now tap to a create option in the bottom and tap to a gallery option and select the post. Then tap next option. Now you can post the copy image on Reddit app.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.